हाय फ्रेंड्स, काफ़ी लंबा टाइम हो गया व्हेन वी डिस्कस रिगार्डिंग ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन कैसे हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है। आई थिंक ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन इज़ नॉट अ न्यू थिंग फॉर दिस प्लैनेट, बट ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे 2020 में इसकी शोध हुई है। ये नई एक खोज है। 2020 showed the growth in hands of many people. In last 20 years, the internet growth, how it happened. It has changed from communication to shopping to ticket purchasing to knowledge sharing and socializing, so many parts. But 2020 में जब हमने देखा, उसमें एक अचानक से बहुत बड़ा बदलाव आया। एजुकेशन में ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन घुस गया। आई मीन डिजिटलाइजेशन एजुकेशन में आया। Education where the students and computer and internet blend together is known as online education. अब infinite number of ways to teach outside traditional classroom and away from the campus. How do a class go ahead? This has become so much wow factor for 2020. अगर हम देखने जाएं, online education makes students access internet anywhere and they can go ahead for teaching and learning process. It is not necessary for me to go to France and learn French. I can learn it from anywhere. But there are certain benefits, there are certain disbenefits. अगर हम देखने जाएं, हमें नेगेटिविटी ज़्यादा दिखती है being a human. पर वो नेगेटिविटी क्या है? What are those negativities? What are the potentials in these online education? Let's discover it. Number one goes as chances of distraction is very high. We are used to, as a student I'm used to, जब तक मेरे सिर पे कोई खड़ा ना रहे ना, मुझे पढ़ाई करने में मन नहीं लगता. So it becomes really important for me and I get distracted by online education because my attention span is very low. So how do I keep my attention span intact? Point number two, complicated technology. Because I would not say technology is complicated, I would say the relation between me and technology becomes complicated. क्योंकि मेरा और टेक्नोलॉजी का जो संबंध है वो ठीक से नहीं बैठ रहा है, तालमेल ठीक से नहीं बैठ रहा है, इसलिए कॉम्प्लिकेशंस बढ़ रहे हैं. कई बार पढ़ाते पढ़ाते इंटरनेट गॉन, पढ़ाते पढ़ाते नो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. So there where the complications occur, those are certain disbenefits or disadvantages. Third, quality of faculty is compromised. How does the quality of faculty get compromised? It is not exactly the faculty is a problem. The problem is the faculty is not blended well with the technology, with the digitalization. So hence, because the blend is not good, इसलिए ये problem आ रहा है, and that's the reason the quality of faculty gets compromised. Students loses the entire scenario. Fourth and the most important point, we lose out a lot on networking. Networking यानी जरूरी नहीं है बच्चा सिर्फ टीचर से सीखता है, बच्चा peer learning होता है, बच्चा स्कूल में जाता है, एक दूसरे से सीखता है. So how do kids interact? This is one of the worst disbenefits of online education because I am not able to meet my friends. But to overcome these four disbenefits or disadvantages, we have many advantages towards it. How do technology help us or how do digital education help us? Number one, works anywhere and anytime. The best benefit out of this education is आप कहीं भी खड़े होके कैसे भी कभी भी पढ़ सकते हो. मुझे जरूरी नहीं है कि मेरे टीचर ने जो अभी मुझे पढ़ाया है वही चीज उसी समय पढ़ूं, मैं उसके रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स पढ़ सकता हूं. It becomes so easy for me and secondly it really becomes an achievement that मुझे समझ में नहीं आया है, मैं उसको repeat करके बार बार पढ़ सकता हूं. So it becomes easier. So this is one of the best advantages that we have. Second advantage what we have for online education is review the lecture instantly. आप उस लेक्चर को कभी भी या instantly review कर सकते हैं. Just for an example, अगर आपने एक मूवी देखी है, मूवी एक बार में आपको समझ नहीं आई है, what do? You watch it again. You come to understand the crux in a separate manner. Seeing Ramayana or Mahabharat after 20 years long period, we visualized it separately, differently. हमने एक नया मीनिंग निकाला उसमें से. Similarly, अगर आप उसी लेक्चर को बार बार रिवाइज करते हैं, you review the lecture instantly, anytime, anywhere. Point number three, many students in classroom environment aren't comfortable. They aren't comfortable because with 74% of students suffering from speech anxiety, according to National Institute of Mental Health, online education can transfer better to the participants. What happens is a student is able to participate better. Online environment is much easier to share the thoughts for the students as compared to the practical physical environment. Point number four, focus on ideas. It is very well known that 93% of the communication is non-verbal. इस नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन को काफी ज्यादा बेहतर तरीके से दिया जा सकता है, बिकॉज वेयर इन योर फिजिकल पार्टिसिपेशन इज नॉट देयर, आपकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ नॉलेज पास ऑन करना है, नॉलेज शेयर करना है. हियर द रियल स्किल ऑफ द किड कम्स आउट. So this becomes one of the very important part of online education. Group communication becomes one of the very important part. Group communication distance learning program, however, fosters virtual learning, virtual communication, and allows students to work in teams, to chat through emails, through groups, through zones. And this makes, I want to communicate right now with someone sitting maybe in US, maybe in London, and I can communicate easily, I can understand the culture differences, I can communicate, I can prepare a group project. Benefit of online education. Flexibility learning schedule. It's not necessary, मुझे अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मुझे अभी बिल्कुल समझ में नहीं आता है, because this is not my time to understand, my brain is not forcing me to understand right now. Maybe I am a learner who learns late in the evening. Maybe I am a learner who learns early in the morning. So will my teacher teach at that time? No. But because of flexible learning schedules, this happens is whenever I wish, I can study through that online lecture. I can study through that online portal. This helps me to understand the matter, the concept easily. Cost, the one of the most important factor, and we human die for it. That is cost. So cost is always low when it is online. Kyunki a brick and mortar is always costly, while online becomes less costlier. And because it is less costlier, we can spend our finances into multiple different dimensions and divide itself. So इससे benefit हमें ये हो जाता है that we can put more emphasis on multiple things happening around. So student यहाँ पे multitasking हो रहा है. A multitasker is what is necessary right now. One of the again important point goes as diversity. Diversity, traditional students are often limited to course and teachers close to home. But diversity right now, as I said in the beginning, right now if I want to learn French, I don't need a teacher coming from France to my house. There are limitations, there are benefits, but looking towards the benefit, it has overcome the limitation or disadvantages of online education. I feel अगर ये online education जो हमने अपनाया है 2020 में, if we adapt it very well, as people used to say, we are far behind what US and UK thinks of. India needs to still speed up. We have taken the speed. All we need to do is just fly. Fly, the sky is open for us and we need to adapt it, we need to accept it, because we never know फ्यूचर में कब ऐसी और कोई महामारी आ जाए और हमें इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ जाए. सो ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन कोई अच्छी चीज़ के लिए हमने अगर अडेप्टेशन किया है, अडेप्ट किया हुआ है इसको, so let's take it ahead and let's take it in the best manner wherein we can utilize the best out of it.